Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Technical Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out a new color for the iPhone 13 Pro. So for some reason, Apple decided to release a new color for their 13 series. They have a green color for both the 13 and 13 mini, and they also have one for the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So I believe they are calling this the Alpine Green. And I believe the main reason for this is it's probably a marketing strategy, so people can go ahead and buy this phone after 6 months, even though it's been released for around 6 months. But I guess it is what it is. This color is probably the one that I would go for if it did release on the day that they released the 13 series, but I'm out of luck. They released this later on. So packaging, everything is similar. There's basically nothing different about this device than the other ones. No upgrades, nothing to it. It's still a 13 Pro, and it's the same as the other 13 Pros. The only difference is the color. So let's go ahead and begin. So you get two little stickers right here. Let's go to pull these. And then here we have our phone. Boom. So nothing up here, and then as you can see, we have this beautiful green color. And let me tell you this, let me go to bring the blue one right here. Honestly, I prefer the green one a lot more than this blue one. So if I hadn't purchased this one, I would probably keep this one right here. But since I already have one, I'm not going to, but that is perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and check everything else out. We get our charging cable, and then we also get some Apple stickers and some instructions with the SIM ejection tool. So nothing new. Again, as I said, there's no difference between this and the other 13 series. So let's go ahead and put this back on and put this right here. And then here we have our 13 Pro in Alpine Green. So this color is honestly beautiful. This is probably my favorite right now compared to this one right here. As I said, compared to the other ones, I don't have the other ones, but a couple of my friends have them, so I have seen the colors, and I've also been to the Apple store and checked them out. And personally, this was my favorite before this one, but now that they've released this Alpine Green, this is probably my favorite one right here. So it's actually similar to, it reminds me of the green from the 11 series, but it's not, it's a little better than that one. That one was a little more different. It was a little darker. This one shows the green a lot more. And then also around the camera lens, as you can see, it is a lighter green, so it's not a matte finish, just like this one right here. As you can see, we have a matte finish on the back glass, and then the camera lens area is not a matte finish. And then the sides are also stainless steel, but they don't have a matte finish. So I believe on the 13 and the 13 mini, they have a matte finish on the side rails, but they have a normal glass back on the back portion, since it is not matte. So I'd actually prefer having the sides and the back being a matte finish, but I guess it is what it is, so we can't really do anything. Here is our iPhone 13 Pro in Alpine Green. So as I said, no difference to it. The bezels are all the same. So don't buy this phone if you already have a 13 series. It's the same device. They've only released this, so I guess it pulls interest towards the 13 series a little more, since it's already been half a year since they released it. And as I said, it is definitely a marketing strategy. But if you really want to check this device out, and if you want to, I'll go ahead and let you know that this device, the color on this device is just perfect. So if you really want to, you can go ahead and buy this one as well, but I would not, I wouldn't. So I'm probably going to be returning this one right here, since again, as I already have one, but it is what it is. So that'll basically wrap it up for this video. There isn't really much to talk about, since it is the same device, only a different color. Again, we do get our MagSafe charging, as you can see. So nothing to it, nothing that's different about it. So that will basically wrap up this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.